What's going on, guys? In this Clickbank tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make money with Clickbank. Now, I'm about to get into a race real quick, but I just wanted to do this intro and get this video out to you guys. Now, some time ago, a couple years ago, I was one of the top Clickbank affiliates on the actual service, so on the Clickbank website. And what I want to do in this video, in this tutorial, is I want to take you through step by step one of the easiest ways to make money with Clickbank right now. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know, the tools that you need to use, the product to promote, and literally how to do this step by step, setting everything up. So we're going to jump into my computer right now. This is a brand new method to my channel, a brand new product. Everything is pretty much brand new here, what we're going to be doing. And I'll show you how to set up everything. There's actually not much work that you need to do once this is fully set up. It can be potentially automated. So let's jump in and I'll show you how to make money on Clickbank in this Clickbank tutorial. All right, guys, let's get down to business in this Clickbank tutorial. Now, you're going to have to excuse me, I'm a bit of a mess. I've been stuck inside for the last week, pumping out content for you guys, especially in some of my groups. So let's get into this tutorial. And what I'm going to do is show you one of the most basic ways to make money with Clickbank. This is super simple to understand, and we're going to try and keep it as clear as possible for you, as easy as possible for you, so you can go and make money with Clickbank and get into affiliate marketing. Or if you're already doing affiliate marketing, maybe you could add this one to your methods as well. So let's jump into this. The first thing you need to do is you need to sign up and get yourself an account at clickbank.com. Now, what Clickbank is it's a platform where you can find products to promote. Now, why would you want to do this? So let's just put this into perspective real quick. When you promote someone else's product, you get what's called a commission. So it could be 50%. Let's say you promote a product for $100, you might get $50 every time that product makes a sale, right? Super easy to understand. The reason you might want to do that is because you don't have to create any of the software yourself. Now, I've created software in the past and it's very expensive. You have to first create the product. You have to then have a support team ready. You have to always be updating the product. You don't have to do any of that with affiliate marketing. You simply promote the product. That's it. You focus on one goal, and that one goal is to send traffic to the product. You don't have to spend any money on the product or anything. So let's get down to business, and I'll explain to you one of the most simplest ways right now to make money with this, especially if you're a beginner to get started. So once you've logged into the Clickbank account, this is a demo account that we have here, ready to go. This is going to be your affiliate dashboard, okay? So this is where your stats are going to come in, how much you've earned and everything like that. I'm not going to get into this because you probably don't have any sales right now, so it doesn't really matter too much. Let's now talk about how you can make sales. This is the marketplace. On the marketplace, there is a list of offers in specific categories. So we have top offers, new offers, health and fitness, e-business. All of these offers, we can go to all right here, and it's got them all on the left side right here. Now, to save you the pain of going through testing and finding offers, what I do is I actually find the offers for you already, and I explain to you how you can make money with them and take you through the process with that particular offer. So you can go through here and have a look if you want, check out Clickbank, see what it's like, see if it's something right for you. Like for example, we go to e-business and e-marketing, and we're going to have all of these specific products that we can promote, right? Like we could promote this one, paid online jobs. We would get $129 per conversion, which means that if we made a sale, we'll get around about $129. Cool. But that's not what we're going to be promoting in this video, but this is the lowdown on Clickbank. So now let's get into what you can actually promote. This is one that I found that I think will be perfect for this particular method that I'm about to show you. This is called the VIP Indicators Profitable Trading Tool. Now, what this does is it's an AI trading tool that shows people when to buy and sell on a specific currency or gold or silver or Bitcoin or something like that. Now, keep in mind, indicators are not something that you use to actually initiate the purchase or the sale. People use them as indicators to indicate when to potentially sell and buy. They use other confirmations to actually execute the buy or sell. However, what we can do is we can actually promote this. There's a few ways we can promote this to make money with this specific product. So first, let's just go back here. We would get $66 per conversion. So every time we send someone to this and they made a purchase, we would get an average of $66. Right now, it has a gravity score of 41, which is quite good. It means that this product is selling right now. People are actually purchasing it. People are making affiliate marketing commissions. So this product is perfect for what we want to do in this method. Now, if we actually go to the affiliate page, we can see some stats. So if we go down, right, it's an 85% recurring commission, which is actually massive. Usually you're looking at about 50%. So the commission is very, very big. It's really up there. But more importantly, here's some of the earnings that people can potentially earn with this product. So I'm not going to get into all of the details and say all of the numbers. You can look right here and you can see that one person will bring in that much, 5 people will bring in that much potentially per year, and then 15 people potentially that much per year, etc. Okay? And then what you can do is you can join the VIP group where I just went, and you can see the top affiliate earnings in the last 30 days right here. So these are the top affiliates in the last 30 days. So if you get this right and you actually get this to work, you could potentially make this a full online business by promoting this specific product. Gosh, guys, look at my eyes. I need sleep. I've been up working so hard. I'm working hard still to get you guys some content. I got to get me a haircut after this, and I got to get some sleep, man. Whew, I've been up late. All right, let's get it. So these are some of the earnings that people have been earning. Okay, cool. So how do we actually go ahead and make money from this specific product? I'm going to show you 2 ways in this video, and they're actually really easy to do and understand. So number 1 is you can start an Instagram account and you can post content. And then what you can do is you can have a link in the description promoting that specific indicator. So what you want to do is you want to create content based on trading. And then we can use Linktree, this right here, to put a link in the in the profile here to go ahead and people will click and potentially purchase this product. All we need to do is go to promote, and we're going to go ahead and get a simple link where people are going to potentially purchase, right? This is the link down here. You might be asking yourself, how do we create this type of content? Well, I've done the work for you. So let me show you. What I did is I went to ChatGPT and I trained ChatGPT to create these types of images for me. As you can see, it's created these images for me. And what I can do now is I can just say to ChatGPT, give me another image, please. And it will simply create, because I've trained the AI, it will now go ahead and it will create these images for me. Super simple to do. But first of all, you have to actually go ahead and train the AI. So what I did, you'll see all of these images that it's created for me. What I did is I took some examples, not from these guys, but someone else. And I said, can you create me this type of image, but in the style of anime, and make it grungy and grainy? That's what I did, right? And this is what it came out with. And now, once you've actually trained it, you can simply say to it, do me another image with more characters, maybe sitting in a car, sitting in an apartment. So if you actually look here, this one's sitting in a desk, this one's in a car, and it actually puts on quotes for me as well, motivational quotes that work extremely well. Now, this looks like it could be a rubbish image. That did not work out at all. But what I want to do is I'm going to keep this in the video because that's just how it goes. What I'm going to say is you have not created what I trained you to do. Please create another example of my style. Now let's just see what it does. It might not actually do what we want, but sometimes you got to give it a little bit of a reminder who's in charge, and this is what it needs to do. So let's see what it creates. And you can also ask it to create Reels for you as well. So you don't have to just do images, it will create Instagram Reels for you also. But the most important thing is to go ahead and upload it just like these guys are. You'll see that these guys have 14,000 subscribers now. I have seen a channel like this that has 500,000 followers. Could you imagine 500,000 people potentially getting access to the link where you are promoting this specific product related to the content that you're posting? Okay, that's the most important thing. It has to be related to the content that you're actually posting. So if you're posting stuff about trading, you want a product where you can promote about trading. And this is perfect for actually doing that. Okay, so keep that in mind. Now it looks like Instagram might have got the hint, ChatGPT, and it looks like it is now creating what I wanted it to create based off all of the information that I gave it over the time of creating this content. Okay, super easy. So you just train it to go ahead and create the images that you want. There we go. It's gone ahead and created what I want. Work until your results speak for themselves. I can literally go and post this on Instagram right now on an account. And you might want to get the image size changed because that's not the right image size, but it's okay. You can tell ChatGPT to do that for you. The next thing you can do to make money with this method is very simple. So the first way is you can go into Instagram, start an Instagram, post content related to trading, and then put the link, affiliate link, in the profile via a platform called Linktree. You want to make sure you use Linktree. It's going to give you a nice little pretty thing like this where you can have your links. You can have multiple links if you want from Clickbank in there. Right, the next thing is we can go to YouTube, and I'm going to click on this gold trading live signal. What you can potentially do is you can purchase this indicator yourself and you can live stream it on YouTube. Now, if you look here, this live stream has 417 watches. We click in the description here, it's got links. These links go, so if we actually click on this, sorry, that's a Telegram. But if we actually go to here, million moves, this is that product. This indicator that you see right here is right here. So I would go here and I would purchase the indicator. But what you would be doing is you would be putting your affiliate link in the description. And then what would be happening is people will be purchasing through your affiliate link. So you want to go ahead and start a live YouTube video. Now you don't have to show your face or anything. You purchase the indicator, you install it, and you simply go ahead and you live stream it. So what I want to show you here, now I already have an indicator installed on my TradingView, which is what you would use. However, I've got a different one. But let me show you, if we go ahead and get gold up here, which is a very high commodity, it's traded daily, I can show you an indicator right here. It's actually this one right here. And what it does is it has entry points and take profits and stop losses. I can live stream this if I wanted to, and if they had an affiliate program, I could promote that specific indicator. So that's how you can make money with Clickbank right now. I hope that helped you understand how all of that works. If you have any questions, let me know below. But the main two ways to promote the product is via live streams on YouTube or even other platforms, or creating content with ChatGPT that you can go ahead and build an Instagram around a specific topic, in this case trading, and then you can promote this product through those channels. All right, guys, super easy. I'll see you in the next video.